Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep your laptop awake even the lid of your laptop is closed. Now go to control panel. Now select the large icon or you can select the small icons here. Now go to power options here. Click on this. Now you will see options like this. Now go to left side and choose this option. Choose what closing the lid does. Click on this and select this option. When I close the lid, you can see the sleep option is selected. Select there, do nothing, and this as well, do nothing, and save changes. Now that's it. If you close your laptop and it close its lid, so it is not going to sleep. It will remain the same when you close it. So hope this small video helps you. If yes, then subscribe to our channel. Also hit like. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.